In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate live captions in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're hosting a meeting with international colleagues or just want to make your meetings more accessible, live captions in different languages can be a game changer. Let's walk through the process to make it a seamless experience for you. First off, you'll need to begin by starting your meeting in Microsoft Teams. Once you're in the meeting, locate the More Options button. It's typically represented by 3 dots and can be found in the meeting control bar. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu. From here, you'll want to scroll down until you find Language and Speech. This is the gateway to enabling live captions. When you find it, press on Show Live Captions, and just like that, captions will start to appear below your meeting screen. This can be incredibly helpful for those who might need assistance in following along with spoken dialogue. If you'd prefer to customize how these captions appear, there's good news. On the right side, there's an option called Open Caption Settings. Clicking this leads you to a variety of caption style settings. Here, you have the ability to tweak several visual aspects of the captions, such as font color and size, ensuring that they match your preferences or specific needs. You can even adjust the background color for those captions, which can make a big difference depending on the lighting conditions and the colors in your video feed. Having the right settings can enhance readability significantly, so take a moment to configure them to your liking. In addition to visual adjustments, there's flexibility in where the caption panel itself is located. You can choose to have it at the top of the screen if that suits you better, or leave it at the bottom, whichever is more convenient or less distracting during your meeting. And of course, one of the most powerful features of these live captions is the ability to change the language you are speaking. By default, the captions will transcribe in English, but if your meeting requires another language, simply click on the English option. A list of available languages will pop up, allowing you to choose the one you need effortlessly. So there you have it. That's how to translate live captions in Microsoft Teams. It's a nifty feature that can really enhance communication and inclusivity in your meetings. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.